This evening I'm showing you how to use the IDX Builder, one of the new features of rewidxyoutube.mp4. Here you'll notice I've already logged into the client's back end. I'm going to choose IDX Builder from the main menu. Once that page loads, you'll see your IDX search address. Here we have my friend David Abernathy's search address. Now what we're building right now is your default search engine. You'll have the opportunity to build more after you've completed this one, but you always want to start with your main application. You'll see here that there are several features available for your new IDX search. You'll also see that there are IDX search settings that you can change, like default view type. Perhaps you want it to start off as a thumbnail, or the list view, or the map view. You can also sort those search results by lowest first or highest first. It's up to you. Now you'll notice here on the screen there's an IDX search criteria on the right hand side. What this is actually what your search form is going to look like once you've selected your options. You'll see here that subdivision is available in the search because subdivision is checked off here. If I uncheck subdivision, it's now removed from the search. I can uncheck zip code. I can uncheck MLS number. As I do these things, you'll see in real time what your search application is going to look like. Now, the reason we show you this search application is because a very cool portion of this builder is the fact that you can manipulate not only the features that are searchable, but where and how they're oriented. For instance, these property type menus. I may want them to start open, as they are now, or I may want them to be closed by default. Here, compressing my search. I can compress many of my other searches. Perhaps I feel the days on market is taking too much time. I don't want to lose this feature, so I uncheck it in order to conserve space. However, my users will see this exact screen, and if they choose to check off the days on market, they simply open it up and they have all the features. Another very cool feature about this particular system is that not only can you control whether these features are open or closed by default, you can also move them around by simply dragging and dropping the feature into its new location. Now, days on market is higher in my list of search options because I personally felt it was more important than some of the other features. Once I've got my search configured the way I feel it should operate, I now go and hit Save Search Defaults. Once I do this, my search is now available to be embedded. To embed my search, I go down here to the Embed Your REWIDX search into your website. Click that link and it provides me with either an iframe code or some JavaScript. I prefer to use the iframe code because it is more predictable for browsers. I take this code, I copy it to my clipboard, open up my web page, paste it in the HTML view. Now, if I'm not pasting this into the HTML view and I just choose to link to it, I can actually preview this link right now by simply going to IDX search address. Here you'll see it opens up in all the features that I have. You'll see the property subtype is now closed, now open. Days on market is higher in the list, and several of the features I turned off, such as subdivision, are no longer available. This is the beauty and the power of the IDX Builder through rewidx, one of the many features that should make this the obvious choice for your next IDX application.